cute.
He has a very sweet face.
Yes.
Very sweet face. People comment on that all the time.
I mean, his eyes always look like, oh, so sad.
Gus.
Well, he's just playing with his toy. Okay, can we?
Oh, give me it. Bring it over here and I'll play with you. And that's what my mother's dog does. He does that and Molly goes to town on his penis.
Oh. That's funny.
Hey, oh, no barking. Gus, no. He never plays with dogs, so I love it when he gets so excited about playing with them. No barks. Oh, was that one of the beers from, one
One
of the
that you
beers
couldn't
that I
have?
bought? Oh my gosh. But see, he'll do this, if I don't stop him from doing it, he'll do it continuously. He's like crazed. And that's what drives me crazy. So I get to the point where it's like, okay, now it's my turn to relax. Oh,
No. Hurry, no.
no, you leave. That's his toy and he wants it. Remember, you guys stay at the
Yeah. What?
You like your little tummy scratch. You like your tummy scratch.
Yes, she does.